Good day, dear students. I am Teacher GP.
And I'm Teacher Joseph. Welcome and enjoy our discussion for today.
At the end of this video lesson, you will learn how to visualize the isometric, enumerate the steps in constructing isometric drawing, and perform the proper procedure in constructing isometric views. Before we proceed to our discussion, let's try to answer some questions about our topic. What do you call the view that is in equal measure to its orthographic view? You have 3 seconds to answer. The answer is isometric. Next question. If iso means equal, what is the meaning of metric? And the answer is measurement. Last question. Isometric view derived from what view? The answer is orthographic view. What is isometric view? The term isometric is derived from 2 words. Iso means equal and metric means measurement. The word isometric means equal measure. In other words, the size of an isometric view is in equal measure to its orthographic view or to the scaled drawing. Isometric drawing is very useful for designers. To elaborate further, Sir Joseph Ramos will discuss to you the steps on how to construct your isometric drawing.
Hello students, I am Teacher Joseph and I will demonstrate to you the steps in constructing isometric drawing. Okay, let's start. First thing we need to do is to prepare our drafting tools and materials. Number 1, you prepare your drawing table, your Oslo paper, T-square, masking tape, 30 by 60 triangle, 3H pencil, and 2B pencil. Step number 1. We study the given orthographic views. So this is the top view, front view, and the side view. The height of the object is 3 cm. The width is 3 cm. And the depth is also 3 cm. Step number 2. You draw the axis of projection. The 30 degrees left cross axis, 30 degrees right cross axis, and the vertical axis. So first, 30 degrees left, 30 degrees right using 30 by 60 triangle. And the third axis is the vertical axis. Step number 3. You lay out the principal measurements on the axis. Get these measurements from the orthographic views. The width of the object will be measured to the left cross axis. The height will be measured to the height or the vertical axis, and the depth will be laid out in the right cross axis. So the measurement of the height is 3 cm. So 1, 2, 3 cm. So this is the height. 3 cm. The width is 3 cm. So measure 3 cm this way. The depth is 3 cm. So you mark 3 cm on the right cross axis. Okay. Step number 4. You draw the isometric box or create lines. This is how to do. On this point, you project vertical lines using a triangle. Another vertical line. Then, on this point, you project 30 degrees left and 30 degrees right. From these intersections, you project again 30 degrees right and 30 degrees going left to form an isometric box. Step number 5. You draw the details of the object. But before that, you transfer first the sub-details or sub-measurements of the object. So the height is subdivided into 3. 1, 2, 3. So you mark points here. 1, 2. And for the depth, it is also subdivided into 3. 1, 2, and 3. So you mark points here. 1, 2. Then from these points on the vertical axis, you project 30 degrees left and 30 degrees right. From these points on the 30 degrees right, you project vertical line until it touches the inclined line here. Another vertical line. And from these points, you project 30 degrees left. For you to visualize the object fissure, let us label the surfaces A, B, C, D, E, and G. So let us draw now the details of the side view. So this is the shape of the side view. For you to understand the projection on the isometric, let us label all the corners of the side view. point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let us draw now the details of the side view. First line, from point 1 to point 2. So these are the points on the side view. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So first line, from point 1 to point 2. We draw a line from point 1 to point 2. Another object line from point 2 to 3. From point 3 to 4. And from point 4, draw a line downward up going to point 5. From 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, and from 8 back to 1. So that is now the detail of the side view. Next to be drawn are the surfaces of top view and front view. First, surface letter A, to be drawn here. (30° left and 30° right. So this is surface letter A. Next is surface letter C from the front view. So this is how to do. From this corner, you project a line downward, and from this point, you project 30° left. So these are the details of surface letter C. Next surface is letter B of the top view. Another line 30° left. And from this point, you draw 30° right. So this is surface letter B. Next is surface letter D. The same procedure. Project an inclined line and vertical line. So this is surface letter D. To complete the object, we are going to project lines for surfaces G and E. So from this point, and another 30 degrees left. So this is letter G and letter E. So this is now the isometric view. Second to the last step, you darken the edges of the object using 2B pencil. And lastly, you label your drawing. You write isometric below the object. The height of letters is 0.5 centimeter. And now the isometric is complete. It's so easy, right? Can you give me a thumbs up?
I hope that you've learned something with our lesson. Continue to watch our video lesson and like the Oplan Balik Eskwela page and the YouTube channel of SD Olowag. Stay safe and observe health protocols. Thank you very much for staying with us. Once again, I'm Teacher JP.
And I'm Teacher Joseph.
Your teachers in your drawing journey. Goodbye and see you next time.